brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Are you or a loved one a senior veteran wondering how to file for VA disability? You've served our nation selflessly, and it's time to ensure you're getting the benefits you've earned. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process to help you file for VA disability, especially tailored for our senior veterans. First, gather all the necessary documents. This includes your service records, medical documents, and any evidence that supports your claim of a disability connected to your time in service. Having comprehensive documentation makes the process smoother. Next, get in touch with a Veterans Service Officer, or VSO. These trained professionals can guide you through the application process and offer personalized advice. They're often available through VA offices or veteran organizations like the American Legion or Veterans of Foreign Wars. Once you're ready, you'll need to file a claim. You can do this online via the VA's e-benefits portal, by mail using VA Form 21526EZ, or in person at a regional VA office. The online method is quick and allows you to easily track your claim status. As you prepare your claim, focus on the specifics of your disability. Clearly outline how it's linked to your service and how it affects your daily life. Details are vital here, as they help expedite the decision-making process. After submission, the VA reviews your claim. They may request additional information or set up a compensation and pension exam to assess your condition. It's crucial to attend this exam, as it's a key step in evaluating your claim. Now, let's talk about timelines. The claim process can take several months, depending on its complexity. Patience is important, but don't hesitate to follow up with the VA if you haven't heard back in a while. If your claim is approved, congratulations. You'll receive a disability rating, which determines your compensation. If denied, don't lose hope. You have the right to appeal, and a VSO can be invaluable in these situations. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are dedicated resources and people ready to assist you. Filing for VA disability as a senior veteran is a significant step towards ensuring your health and well-being. Thank you for your service and best of luck on this important process. This video was brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out all of our other videos.